Hey everyone, it's Maddie from LuckyVitamin, and I'm here today to talk to you about hemp hearts. So you may have heard that hemp hearts pack a powerful nutritional punch, but what exactly are they and how do you use them? Hemp hearts are the shelled seeds of the hemp plant. They have a very mild, nutty flavor and they're very soft in texture. They contain more protein and fewer carbs than flax and chia seeds, and 3 tablespoons packs in 10 grams of protein. They're high in essential fatty acids and pack in a good amount of dietary fiber. Hemp hearts can be consumed raw, cooked, or roasted, and Manitoba Harvest's hemp hearts can be eaten straight from the bag. You can add them to salads, smoothies, and veggies. You can bake with them, or you can add them to sauces and soups for added texture and flavor. For more information on hemp hearts, check out our article on the LuckyVitamin blog, Happy Wellness Life.